Hey people, welcome to another video. How are you doing? So it's a bit of a moany one today. I've just picked some vegetables from the garden and I'm about to juice, and I thought I'll share with you guys sometimes that juicing is not fun. Well, a lot of times it's not fun. The truth is it's a lot of work, a lot of time and a lot of money. So despite me growing this organically, I have to literally wash these vegetables, and the things I can't grow I have to buy, and I'm buying organic carrots, guys. Look, less than 700 grams of carrots is about £1.20 organically. Now, when you look at this, okay, look at the cost of that £1.20, and I need at least 10 kilos a week because I'm maintaining health. Yes, I'm not ill, but I have to keep my health in tip-top shape, and I'm doing what I had to do. Anyway, these are some beetroots I harvested, thankfully, so I don't have to buy this, but it's a lot of work. Look at the amount of scrubbing involved, cleaning them, just making sure you don't have any bugs. Okay, we want the good microbes but not the nasty ones. So cleaning, washing, cutting. This is beautiful though, isn't it? And it's just so much work. Then I have to make sure my jars are sterilized, they're always clean. Before I even start juicing, I've spent about an hour and a half just prepping things. Guys, this is a lot of work, okay? So the reality of my life is this: I spend a lot of time juicing, but then would I rather do this than be ill? I would rather do this anytime, any day. Yes, it is worth it because being ill, being incapacitated, no energy, it's just not worth it. Okay, so I'm just encouraging you as well as morning. Yes, there's a lot of hard facts here. It's not easy, it's costly, but it's cheaper than popping pills and also cheaper than feeling ill. So I hope I'm trying to encourage you. I'm not trying to make you see it's all doom and gloom. Sometimes I could feel resentful. Some people can eat all things and get away with it. Why do I have to do this? But I have to be grateful. I can afford these vegetables. I can grow most of it, and I have the energy to juice it. And I'm trying to encourage you out there, if you're dealing with any illness, okay, this is the way forward. Nature, it can heal you. Look at the mess I was creating. Yeah, I was getting tired at this point because I'd spent a long day doing other chores and then now juicing. So I had to clean and the precious juice, the precious great vegetables. Oh my God. Listen, it's not easy, okay? People see me talking about juicing, they think, oh, life is easy and rosy. No, it is not. The reality of life is that life can be tough, but only tough people last. So you have to just brace yourself up, get on with it. That's all I can say. So if you know you need to do this, just do what you need to do to be where you need to be. So yeah, I hope this encourages you. I hope this kicks you off your backside to get up and do some juicing. Look, at this point I had to even sit down to juice. I was just tired. I couldn't even show you the rest of the clip because I got tired and I rested. But this is a reality, but this is the truth. So juicing is not glamorous, it's hard work, but it's healing. So if you have to do healthy living, go for it. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in another one. Bye bye.